Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filters in a pivot table in Google Sheets step by step. Pivot table filters allow you to display only the specific data you want to analyze, making your reports cleaner and easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets file that contains a pivot table. If you haven't created a pivot table yet, make sure you create one before continuing. Once your pivot table is ready, click anywhere inside the pivot table. You should see the Pivot Table Editor panel appear on the right side of the screen. In the Pivot Table Editor, look for the Filters section. Click the Add button next to Filters. A list of your data columns will appear. Select the column you want to use as a filter. The selected field will now appear under the Filters section. Click on the Filter drop-down for that field. A menu will open showing all the available values from that column. You can check or uncheck specific values to control which data appears in the pivot table. For example, if you're filtering by region, you can choose to display only specific regions while hiding the others. You can also use the search box at the top of the filter menu to quickly find particular values, especially when working with large datasets. After selecting your filter options, click OK or simply close the menu, and the pivot table will update automatically. You can add multiple filters by clicking Add again in the Filters section and choosing additional fields. This allows you to narrow down your data even further and focus on exactly the information you need. If you want to remove a filter, go back to the Filters section in the Pivot Table Editor and click the X button next to the filter you want to delete. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use filters in a Google Sheets pivot table. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.